We want to get right to our top story. Yes, that fight against the pandemic.
That's right. Let's take a live look at the White House right now. President Biden preparing to lay out a new 6-part strategy to deal with the Delta variant. And as millions of kids return to the classroom, we could be looking at a vaccine mandate for Los Angeles students 12 and over.
This comes as COVID cases among children are surging. Kaylee Hartung is live now outside a hard-hit hospital in Boise, Idaho, where they are feeling the crush. Good morning, Kaylee.
Yeah, good morning, Michael. Since the first days of the pandemic, we have talked about COVID-19 as a virus that attacks the most vulnerable among us. And so we rushed to protect the elderly and the immunocompromised. But now this alarming new reality that children are being infected at a higher rate than any other age group.
This morning, a record number of COVID infections among children. They now account for 1 in 4 of all new cases. Los Angeles, now on the verge of becoming the first major school district in the country to mandate vaccines in children 12 and older, a vote that's expected to pass, set for later today. In Florida Wednesday, a judge ruling against Governor DeSantis and his ban on mask mandates, saying school districts can require masks while the case is being appealed. The teachers union reports at least 13 school employees in the Miami-Dade School District have died from COVID in the last 3 weeks. All of them were unvaccinated. Mask tensions rising across the country. In Tennessee, this video going viral of a teenager being mocked by anti-maskers during a county school board meeting after he referenced his grandmother dying.
The former teacher at the Rutherford County School System died of COVID because someone wasn't wearing a mask. This is a very
The U.S. is heading into the fall with 4 times more patients in hospitals than a year ago, more than 100,000. And health officials warn the surge isn't over, but it is on the move. As cases and hospitalizations stabilize in hard-hit southern states like Florida, Alabama, and Mississippi, CDC documents show ICU hospitalizations are on the rise in the Northwest and upper Midwest.
Unfortunately, what we're seeing is this virus is now moving up into West Virginia, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. It's kind of spreading laterally north, east, and west.
While in Idaho, one of the least vaccinated states, paramedics in Boise telling us nearly every patient with COVID symptoms they take to the hospital is unvaccinated.
This COVID virus has been kind of like a really long mass casualty incident that just goes on and on and on. And so it's been definitely tough on my people.
Here in Idaho, resources are exhausted, in large part because younger, unvaccinated people are overwhelming the system. But those paramedics and hospital staff here, they are determined to answer the calls for help, even though some tough decisions are having to be made about who receives care. George.
Okay, Kaylee, thanks. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.